Hey, what's up everybody? It's that guy Skimpy. Hey, I was asked to make a video on my airbrush setup and show you what I'm working with here. I'm very new to this, man, so I'm getting used to, all this equipment and how to work it and stuff. But I got the compressor, I got the airbrush set, I got the paint set, I got the seal coat. I got that all at doitmolds.com. I did have to also buy the regulator because it doesn't come with it. But yeah, I got that off of eBay for, I don't know, like 15 bucks or something like that. So yeah, I got everything at Do It Molds. So we'll start with the airbrush paint sample kit. That's that. Here's the compressor. And then here is the airbrush kit. All right, so it's a Pache VL series airbrush set. So it comes with 3 different needle sizes, the hose, different cups, the wrench to tighten that up, and then this is a little hanger. So this little cup here goes on here. Hold on. So this little cup goes on here. And then this is what they call a siphon fed airbrush. And I know a lot of people have the one that's on top. I believe that's called a gravity fed airbrush. This is the one that Do It Mold sold, so that's the one I bought. But yeah, so far, so far so good. I'm having a lot of fun doing this. Like I mentioned, I'm very, very new at this. My buddy Uncle Shorty, he's been airbrushing for a while, and I've been watching him do it, and I just always wanted to get into it, man. So I just pulled the trigger and just went for it. So yeah, it's real fun. But yeah, this is the setup I have. I also have the helping hand. I got it at Harbor Freight for like $5. But yeah, that helps hold the baits and stuff. Another thing I had to buy was some Airbrush Cleaner. I got it at Hobby Lobby, $5-6, something like that. And when you get finished, airbrushing, and even in between colors, it's always a good idea to, run a lot of this Airbrush Cleaner through it, and that way you don't get any, paint buildup or anything, and it doesn't get clogged. But yeah, there it is. Like I said, I'm having a blast doing this, and I've only done Spinnerbaits and Chatterbaits so far, but eventually I want to get into doing the crankbaits and stuff like my buddy Uncle Shorty does. Here's a little perch deal I did. Perch chatterbait. Like I said, man, it's a fun new hobby. Definitely addicting, just like making baits. It's a whole new game, man. So yeah, hopefully you like the video. That guy Skimpy.